As I promised you earlier, now we're ready to look at Photoshop's Levels tools, which incorporates all in one tool the lift, gamma, and gain, black and white points, as well as the histogram. So the Levels tool is actually a primary color corrector. Now we're going to be able to see exactly what each one of those sliders do. So I've made a little setup here with both Photoshop and Nuke. Over here, I've got the Nuke side, which has the exact same Marcy picture as in Photoshop. And here is the grade node we were just playing with, and over here are the Levels tools. Now we're going to be able to map the Levels tools straight across to those color grading operations. I'll start over here on the Photoshop side, and I'm going to grab this control point and pull it down. You see what's happening as I lower the value, it's causing the picture to get much brighter. Well, this is exactly comparable to the white point. If I lower this down, my Nuke picture gets brighter. Okay, we'll put that back to default and reset the Photoshop tool. Now let's check out this control here. If I slide this to the right, you see the blacks are getting darker. Okay, that's because it's a black point. If I pull on this black point over here, you can see I get exactly the same effect. I'll reset that and put this back to default. Here is, of course, gamma. So watch the numbers up here at the top. If I move this up, the gamma value gets smaller and the picture gets darker. Over here on the Nuke side, if I move the gamma value down, I'll set the gamma to 0.58 right here, just like the Photoshop Levels 0.58, and I get the same picture. If I move the gamma up to, let's say, 1.4, and in Photoshop, I set the gamma to 1.4, there we go. Okay, so this one was pretty straightforward. So now you know that this middle control is really a gamma adjustment. So I'm going to put that back to default and reset my grade node. Now let's take a look at the controls over here.